ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். We have been going through some of the fundamental principles of our Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, Sanatana Dharmam. In this series, it is very important for us to understand the concept of Prama along with Pramanam, Prameyam and Pramata. We will often see in our Purvacharya Granthams these terms are frequently used. We should have clarity about this particular concept. So let us go through that briefly. Prama is knowledge, true knowledge. Pramanam is tools for acquiring such true knowledge. Prameyam is the object or the goal of acquiring such true knowledge. Pramata is the one who teaches with the help of Pramanam about the goal to us. So this is Prama, Pramanam, Prameyam and Pramata. Let us see a simple example first, a practical example, with the help of which we can easily understand these terminologies and principles very clearly. We all have gone through school education. Let us see with that example. Prama can be seen as Vidya, knowledge, or the education we get in the school. Pramanam is the books and the syllabus and so on which are designed for each grade or each standard in the school. Because it is through these books the students will acquire knowledge. Prameyam is what do we do after acquiring knowledge. The goal of acquiring knowledge is to improve one's lifestyle, to serve the society and so on with respect to school education. So these are the general goals of acquiring knowledge. So that is Prameyam. And finally, Pramata indicates the teachers who use the syllabus and the books to handhold the students and educate them, improve their knowledge and guide them and so on. Because it is not very easy to just read the books and understand everything on one's own. The importance of teacher is to be clearly understood that without the teacher it is not possible for a child to grow from one level to the next level and so on. Also, there must be someone, a founder for the school, who had the noble thought to uplift the society by establishing the school and help everyone. He also need to be considered here. So we can keep this example in our mind, and with the help of this example, let us see in our Sampradayam, in our Sanatana Dharmam, how this Prama, Pramanam, Prameyam, Pramata are all fitting together. Prama is knowledge. Now knowledge here is about Bhagavan, Sriman Narayana, who is Ishvara. And then there is Chit, that is Atmas. We are all Atmas. And then there is also Achit, all the objects which are visible to us in this world. They are all made of matter. So these three concepts, knowledge about these three concepts is the most important thing to understand. So that is Prama. Pramanam is, as we have seen, tools for acquiring this knowledge. In our Dharmam, we can see that three types of pramanams are commonly accepted. Pratyaksham, Anumanam and Shabdam. Pratyaksham is sense perception, direct understanding through one's own senses. We can see through our eyes, we can hear through our ears, we can smell through our nose and so on, and grasp the knowledge through these senses. So this is known as Pratyaksham. Now there may be certain shortcomings in Pratyaksham. For example, we can only see as far as our vision goes. We cannot see beyond that. Or if there is a barrier in between our eyes and the particular object which is present, then our eyes cannot see through it. So there are some shortcomings. Next pramanam, next type of pramanam is Anumanam. Anumanam means inference. Based on existing knowledge and experience, we conclude certain things based on what we observe in a particular situation. That is known as Anumanam, inference. The common example given is we see smoke on the top of a hill and we conclude that there must be some fire over there. That is because we have prior experience of seeing fire and smoke together in our home, in the kitchen. So based on that experience, when we see just the smoke, we conclude that there is fire. This is known as inference. This also has certain shortcomings because our understandings may not always be perfect. Now the third type of pramanam is Shabdam. This is considered as the perfect pramanam. Shabdam is generally pointing directly to Vedam. Vedam is considered as the Shabda pramanam. It is the most authentic pramanam. Along with Vedam, there are other ancillary shastrams such as Itihasams, Puranams, Smriti, Sri Pancharatra Agamam, Divya Prabandham of Alvars, Vyakhyanams, commentaries of Acharyas, Stotra Granthams of Acharyas. All of these are based on Vedam and hence they are also considered as authentic pramanam for us. Through all of these we can acquire true knowledge about self, about Bhagavan, about matter and so on. So these are all coming under the category of pramanam. Next is prameyam. Prameyam means, as we saw, object of acquiring the knowledge. the goal of acquiring the particular knowledge. Here, Prameyam in our Sampradayam is pointing to Kainkaryam, that is servitude towards Bhagavan and Bhagavatas in divinations while we are here in this world, and after we give up the body and leave this world, the goal will be to reach Paramapadam and serve Bhagavan eternally. So that is the Prameyam. Bhagavan and service to Bhagavan are main goals here. Finally, Pramata. Pramata, as we saw in the school example, they are the teachers. One who uses Pramanam to explain Prameyam is known as Pramata. For us, the great sages who studied Vedam, Vedantam and so on, and then Alvars who were divinely blessed by Bhagavan, and then subsequently Acharyas, starting with Sriman Nathamunigal, Alavandar Yamunacharya, Bhagavad Ramanuja, Kuresha, Parashara Bhattar, Nanjiyar, Nambillai, Pillai Lokacharya, Manavala Mamnigal. All of these Acharyas coming up to our Acharya, they are all coming under the category of Pramata. They are the ones who handhold us, guide us and lead us towards eternal bliss. Finally, as we saw in this school example, there is someone who is controlling all of these, that is Bhagavan, Sriman Narayana, who is the Lord of all of the universe. So the goal is to serve such Bhagavan. So we have seen a little bit about Pramanam, Pramata and Prameyam today. Alvar Emberumanar G.R. Tiruvadigalai Sharanam, G.R. Tiruvadigalai Sharanam.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.